Understanding Garage Security, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore the term garage security. This topic is not only useful in understanding daily English conversations but also important for those interested in home safety. Let's dive in and learn more about it. The phrase, garage security, refers to the measures and practices put in place to protect a garage from unauthorized access, theft, or damage. A garage, typically a part of a house or a separate building, is used for storing vehicles, tools, and sometimes valuables. Ensuring its security is vital for safeguarding these items. Garage security is crucial because garages are common targets for thieves. They often contain valuable items like cars, bicycles, and power tools. Additionally, garages sometimes provide an easy access point to the rest of the house. Therefore, securing the garage can significantly enhance overall home security. 1. Locks and alarms, the most basic form of garage security. Good quality locks on doors and windows can deter burglars. Alarms can alert homeowners and neighbors of a break-in. 2. Motion detecting lights. These automatically turn on when they detect movement, deterring potential intruders and increasing visibility. 3. Security cameras. Installing cameras can help monitor the garage area and record any suspicious activities. Smart garage door openers. These can be controlled remotely through a smartphone app, allowing homeowners to open or close the garage door from anywhere. Window covers. To prevent thieves from peeping inside, using covers or frosted glass on windows can be effective. Reinforced doors. Upgrading to stronger, more secure doors can provide an additional layer of protection. We hope this video has helped you understand the concept of garage security and why it's important. Implementing these security measures can protect your valuable possessions and ensure peace of mind. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more English language learning content.